Hey guys, welcome to the MTB Basics series. Today I've got the Carrera out and we're going to have a look at cornering. So we're going to move the camera and we'll get right into it. Right guys, let's have a look at cornering then. So there's not a lot of room here. I was hoping to have a bit more space, but we can jump on the bike and I can show you how to corner. Let's get into a different gear. Right. Thing is, when you like this sitting down, you haven't got quite as much control. So if you were riding a trail and corner while you were sitting, can't steer as, but if you're standing up, you can get, if you hold your pedals level, what you want to be doing is trying to keep your move, let the bike lean and keep your body straight, and you can get a much turn. Eventually you can lower your outside pedal and you can push in even tighter, so you get an even tighter turn. What it's doing is it's pushing your tyres into the ground. Okay. Right, I'll try and do a top view and then you can see how the bike's moving from my point of view. Right guys, so now I've got the video looking down on the bike, you'll see how I move the bike and my body moves as well. So hopefully you can get an idea of what I'm doing. So as you lean, keep your body level. And I'll drop that outside pedal. You can nearly touch down bars on the floor. So as you turn, you can hear the tyres groaning. Outside pedal down. See what I mean? And you can turn quite quick as well. When you're going around trails, you're going to get around those corners real quick. See what I mean? Just lean that bike, you can almost touch the handlebars to the floor. Nice and low. It's good fun. It's a bit tiring. I hope that gives you an idea of cornering.